Hi dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the important topic, how we can draw the ray diagrams. How we can draw the ray diagrams. Is there any rule or any rules to draw the ray diagrams? So there must be some rules to draw the ray diagrams. When we have idea about these rules, then only we are able to draw the ray diagrams very clearly. So that's why watch the video till and without any skip. The rule number one, if a ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection will passes through the principal focus in case of a concave mirror or appear to diverge from the principal focus in case of convex mirror. If a ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection will passes through the principal focus in case of a concave mirror or appear to diverge from the principal focus in case of convex mirror. So that is the rule number one. So dear students, all of you know. So here it is. Now this is the principal axis and it is a concave mirror and this is the light ray. So it is moving towards reflected surface. So to identify this one, I am drawing like this. So this is which kind of mirror? So this is the concave mirror. Why? Because reflected surface is reflected surface is inward. Clear. So this is what you have to say. This point is pole. Midpoint of the spherical is what we call pole. And this is can be taken as incident ray. This is what incident ray. And this one is what principal axis. Now how these two are parallel. Incident ray and principal axis are seems to be parallel. So this is the incident ray and how it is, this is a parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, after reflection, this is passing through like this one. So now this point is the focus. So you can identify the arrow mark. It is away from the reflected surface. That's why this is the reflected light ray and this is what incident ray. So the ray which is passing through the or parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it is passing through the focus. So this is the rule number one. In case of concave mirror, this is the another ray that is also parallel to the principal axis and after reflection it is passing through the focus, again like this. And next we can take one more. So I'm going to draw one more light ray here. It is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. So this is for concave mirror. Students, if we can go for convex mirror, so that should be like this. So this is the convex mirror, and this is the principal axis. This is the pole, and what is the condition? The ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is the ray. It is principal axis. This is what principal axis. How is the ray is parallel to the principal axis? So after reflection, so that is going to be like this. This is the reflected ray. And if we can extend this one, so we have to extend like this. Clear. Now this is the focus, and this is center of curvature. So dear students, in case of convex mirror, let's go for that. So this is the principal axis, and now this is the convex mirror. So this is now principal axis, and so this is the light ray, how it is parallel to the principal axis, how it is parallel to the principal axis, and this incident ray, and we can represent the convex mirror should be like this. So this is the non-reflected surface, non-reflected, and this one is reflected surface. It is what? Reflected surface. So dear children, after incident on the convex surface, the ray is going to be reflected like this. So this is the reflected ray, reflected ray, and so if we can extend this one, if we can extend the S like this, that should be meet at this point, and that point is now taken as focus. Clear? So this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. After incident on the reflected surface, the ray is going to be reflected like this, and if we can extend the reflected ray like this, this is the extended part, extended portion, and that should be passing to the one particular point, that is the now here focus. Clear? So, and next thing is here, if you want to draw the center of curvature, simply you can go for one normal line from that point. This will give the center of curvature. Now this is the focus. So if we can observe from this point, we can observe from this point, the reflected ray seems to be like diverge, or it is moves away from like this. So it is like diverge. Clear? So ఇది principal axis, ఇది incident ray. How these two are parallel. Incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. దేని మీద ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయింది? కాన్వెక్స్ సర్ఫేస్ మీద ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత అది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయింది ఇలా. సో అయిన తర్వాత మనము ఆ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు అది ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ నుంచి వెళ్తుంది. ఆ పాయింట్ ని మనం ఫోకస్ అంటాము. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రూల్ నెంబర్ 1 టు ఐడెంటిఫై ది రే డయాగ్రామ్స్. సో లెట్స్ సీ బోత్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఇన్ వన్ ఫ్రేమ్. ఏవైతే కాన్కేవ్ కాన్వెక్స్ ఉందో రెండింటిని మనం ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం, మీకు క్లారిటీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. సో వెరీ సింపుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ convex and concave during the ray diagrams. So first one is the principal axis, and this is now concave mirror. What is concave mirror? And so this is the ray, incident ray, parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing the focus, and this is the pole now. And if we want to draw the one normal line from that point, that should meet here, that is center of curvature. So this is for what? Concave mirror. Clear children? సో మనము ఒకవేళ ఇదే పార్ట్ మనం కాన్వెక్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఇలా చూపిస్తున్నాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే, అండ్ దట్ షుడ్ బి రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. క్లియర్? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే. సో సింప్లీ we'll show like this. This is the reflected ray, and now we are extending the reflected ray like this. Yes, that should be that particular one point. That point is focus. We are extending the reflected ray, and that should be that particular one point. That is what? Focus. And again, this is again pole. And if you can draw a normal line, that should be the center of curvature. So in this way, we can understand the rule number 1.